How's everyone doing today? Welcome back to another edition of the 4x4 Fab Shop. So today we're going to work on a simple one. We're going to make a simple rack to mount these little angle grinders onto this portable weld table. Alright, so what we do is we're going to do a simple layout. We're going to do some cutting and some bending, and we're going to mount that little rack for these right under here. That way they're out of the way. So let's get to the design and what we plan on doing. And this will fit down in there as well. Alright, so let's lay it out in some steel. Looks like I need them at least 9 inches apart. So let's get these bent, and we'll use the bender that we built. Alright, so let's set up for our bend. Now we're just going to watch for 45. So this video is out there. We made the bender, then we actually changed it. They had these segments in there in case we want to bend around something. So we're looking for 45. We're going to take it a little bit past. Let's go 40. Let's see what that says. So that's 45 and just a little bit. Let's see where we end up. It should be good right there. I think that's pretty close. Now remember, when you use a bender like this, you measure half the angle. Okay, so we're a little bit light, so we have to bend that just a little bit more. So I'm just going to push it into the die a little bit just to get so it finds home. Okay, I'm seeing 47 there, so let's go with that. Okay, so maybe a degree other way, but I think that'll work out just great. Okay, I'm going to make the hangers out of this 2-inch that I have. So I'm going to make a couple legs that are 2x2, and that's what we'll hang it up with. And this one we're going to have to guess the angle just a little bit. We can always unbend a little bit if we have to. See where we're at. I think that's close enough. So we can always take this if we wanted to and cut this long bar a little bit and make smaller segments or bigger segments, whatever we need. And we also have one big solid piece for it as well. Also good enough, right? So we are a Rockmount affiliate, so if you guys are ever looking for any good drill bits, this little kit comes in really handy. And these drills are split point. You really don't have to center punch. It doesn't walk around like a lot of other ones do. And they got the flats on them. So that was another edition of 4x4 Fab Shop, and if you enjoyed this, I'll see you in the video where we created the bender, and I'll also leave a link here for some welding tips. So until then, whether we're building tooling or some kind of automotive stuff, this has been the 4x4 Fab Shop. Please remember to subscribe to the channel. We're new, so we're trying to grow. I'll see you on our next project.